Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Perpetual here. If you're new, you're warmly welcome. And thank you so much for joining me today as I make the most delicious Ghana salad that you have ever had. Come along and let's get started on this super easy recipe. What I love about this recipe is the fact that your ingredients do not really need measuring. You can put as little or as much of each ingredient as you'd like. And I am starting with all my vegetables already washed, and I am just going to cut it up. I have sliced up some green bell peppers, and I am currently cutting up some cucumbers as well. What I like to do is cut them into different sizes so that you get different textures in your salad. And I basically do the same for all my vegetables. Now, of course, you can chop it up however you would like. And in today's case, I'll just put a list of the ingredients in the description box. Not really with a recipe or any measurements per se, because like I said, you can use as much or as little of each of the vegetables as you'd like. Now, when it comes to onions, I absolutely love my onions, so I end up putting quite a bit in my salad. So once I'm done cutting up all my vegetables, I start to assemble my salad, and I am starting with some lettuce that I'm just tearing apart. Now, if you're going to eat the salad immediately, you're free to chop it with a knife as well, but I just like to tear it to get different sizes and shapes. And to ensure that my salad is not lettuce heavy at the bottom, I like to put a bit of the ingredients as I go. So I layer it nicely with some carrots, some cucumbers, some tomatoes, all of my ingredients really, onions, bell peppers. I put a little bit of that to start, and then I'm gonna continue building with some lettuce. And I basically continue layering until the bowl that I'm using is nice and full. And to make it more filling, I am adding some cooked pasta. You can use any pasta that you have on hand, and you can use some potatoes as well. But today I didn't use any potatoes, just the pasta. And I'm also going to be using some hard-boiled eggs. And before we keep going, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button today, and also turn on your notification bell so that you are among the first to know when I upload more amazing videos. And like I always say, I have an open door policy. Please feel free to send me your video requests in the comment section on Instagram, via email. If you have my phone number, feel free to send it there. Any way that you can reach me, please be sure to send me your suggestions, your comments, and of course, your video suggestions. And now that we have our base ingredients for our vegetable salad, it is time to start layering with the ingredients that make this truly a Ghana salad. So I am putting scoops of corned beef onto my salad, and then I am going to add some hard-boiled eggs as well as some baked beans. Now, these are part of the star ingredients that make the salad a proper Ghana salad. I said nothing about it being healthy. It is so rich, and we're going to use creamy sauces on top. Charlie, you will love this when you try it out. All right, now it's time to get some baked beans onto the salad as well. So of course, like I said, and I keep saying, you can put as little or as much as you'd like. And for some additional sweetness and tartness, I am putting a little bit of tomato ketchup, and then the star ingredient. I feel like Ghana salad isn't Ghana salad without your Heinz salad cream. It even has to be the brand Heinz. That's what we grew up eating. So that is exactly what I just put on. And to make it look a little bit more like an actual salad, I go on top of my dressing and my ketchup with a little bit of the vegetables to get the colors to pop a little bit more. And then of course, I had to add a little bit more corned beef. And guys, that is it. We are done. Salad na konose. Look at it, guys. It looks so good. And today we are having it with some corned beef jollof rice that I used my jollof stew base to make, and some charcoal grilled chicken. And I will leave a link to the stew, and the charcoal grilled chicken is coming right up. I'll make sure to share that very soon. And that is it, my loves. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, and remember to tell a friend about my amazing channel, and I will see y'all again very soon. Thank y'all so much for coming along with me on this delicious journey.